Hi, I'm Nick Stewart, Category Manager for Lick South Africa. Today I'd like to introduce you to our new pipe fitting system under the Cobra brand. As you know, Cobra have made compression fittings for copper pipe and Cobra Safe multi-layer pipe for many years. We are now extending this to include the Cobra Safe Crimp System. The Cobra Safe Crimp System comprises of a full range of pipes, fittings and tools, aimed at equipping professional installers with a fast, effective and trusted solution, flexibility between various connection ends, and as with all Lixil products, Cobra Safe Crimp is supported and backed by our award-winning Cobra Assist team for full peace of mind. So let's start with the new pipe. This is multi-layered PEX Alpex pipe. The ODs are different from copper pipe ODs that you're familiar with in the Cobra Safe MLP system. There are 16, 20, 25 and 32. Working pressure of 10 bar or 1000 kPa at 70 degrees centigrade. This pipe complies with the SANS 21003 standard. The crimp pipe is also clearly differentiated from the Cobra MLP pipe in the fact that it's light grey in color. Next, a broad overview of the fittings. The fitting body is DZL brass and is nickel plated for enhanced durability. The crimp sleeve is made of 304 stainless steel. The baffle is polyethylene and has early leakage detection slots and is also grey in color to match the crimp pipe. There are 3 EPDM O-rings for fail-safe crimping. The compatible crimp profiles are U, TH, H and RFZ. Our crimp fittings allow for connecting crimp to crimp, crimp to compression, crimp to capillary, crimp to male, and crimp to female. Straights, elbows, tees in all sizes. Alright, let's look at the Cobra tools we need. We offer a box set containing the clamping tool, a full set of clamping inserts, and a spanner for changing the different inserts. We also offer the Cobra pipe cutter, the reamer with the different sizes, 3 different sizes, and bending springs for the different size pipes. Here you go.